let's look at natural pivot turn and quarter turn to right. Man starts with right foot forward, to side, close, lower, then with left foot back and slightly to side, pivoting action, then forward between ladies' feet, side, close, side and slightly back. And now let's look at lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, back to side, close, then lower, forward between man's feet and pivoting action, then back, side, close, side and slightly forward. Now footwork for lady steps, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel. Next step is we start with heel, then transfer weight to toe, turn and then again heel, lifting toe up. Then we continue toe, heel, toe, 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 heel. And with teaching count, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And again. And slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at backward lock step, then backward walk and progressive chasse. Man starts with right foot, back, cross in front, back, lower, and then back in CBMP, back, side, close, side and slightly forward. Now lady steps. Lady starts with left foot on toe forward, again forward on toe, cross behind, forward and lower, forward outside partner, forward, side, close, side and slightly back. With teaching count and quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. And again, noticed in this routine 2 consecutive heel leading steps for lady. Quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. And now natural pivot turn and forward lock step. Man steps. Man starts with right foot, forward outside partner to side, close, then lower, then back and slightly to side, pivoting action, step forward between ladies' feet, then step forward on toe, then cross behind and forward and slightly to side. Lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, back in CBMP to side, close, lower, step forward between man's feet and pivoting action, step back, then back on toe, cross in front and back and slightly to side. Lady steps from different angle with left foot back in CBMP to side, close, lower, step forward between man's feet and pivoting action. Now back, then back on toe and release front toe from the floor and then place toe crossing in front and back and slightly to side, toe heel lower. When we do lock step back, man or lady, we go step back, then second step back on toe and we release front toe from the floor and then we place toe crossing and back toe heel. Again, we start with left foot back, then back on toe, releasing front foot, crossing toe and toe heel, step back. with teaching count slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And again, from opposite direction, and slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at whole routine in slow motion. Slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at whole routine to music. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.